Good morning everyone. Today I am presenting my Arduino Uno automatic water irrigation system. This is the Arduino Uno which controls the entire system, and this is the relay module used to control the water pump. Soil moisture sensor module which processes the moisture data. Soil moisture sensor probe used to detect moisture in the soil. Connecting wires used to connect all the components. Mini water pump which supplies water to the plant. Batteries which provide power to the system. You can get all the components from local market or check out the link given in the description box. First, I connect soil moisture sensor probe to the soil moisture sensor module. Next, I connect soil moisture sensor module to Arduino Uno. First, I connect the VCC pin of the soil moisture sensor module to 5V pin of the Arduino Uno. Next, I connect the ground pin of the soil moisture sensor module to the ground pin of the Arduino Uno. Then I connect DO pin of the soil moisture sensor module to pin 6 of the Arduino Uno. Now let's connect the relay module to the Arduino. The VCC pin of the relay module is connected to the 5V pin of Arduino. The ground pin of the relay module is connected to the ground pin of the Arduino. The iron pin of the relay module is connected to pin 3 of the Arduino. Next, the positive wire of the water pump to the anode terminal of the relay module. Then, I connect the positive terminal of the cell holder to COM terminal of the relay module. Finally, I connect negative wire of the water pump to the negative terminal of the cell holder. Next, I connect the Arduino Uno to the mobile phone using USB Type-B cable and an OTG adapter. Then I upload the code to the Arduino Uno. The complete Arduino code is provided in the description box. You can copy the code and upload it. All the components are fixed in a place using a hot glue gun for strong support. The plastic container is used as a water source for the pump to water the plants. The plant is placed in the setup. Fill water in the container. Soil moisture sensor checks soil condition. If soil is dry, it sends signal to Arduino. Arduino turns on the pump. Pump supplies water from the container to the plant. When soil is wet, sensors stop the pump. Install the app Arduino Droid. Click on three dot and setting, then board type, Arduino Uno. Paste the code here. Click on the compile icon. Click on the upload button. Wait for few seconds. Upload complete will appear.